video, I'm going to walk you through removing the header and or footer from one page of your Squarespace website. So to do this, come into your pages and find the page you want to apply this to. I highly recommend like a sales page, it's great for that. I don't have one on this demo site, so we're going to go with this website design page. So once you've got that selected and you can see it over here on the right, come back out and select design. This is just so that you can see the result in real time. Click on custom CSS and then paste in this little piece of code. And that basically says to Squarespace, we don't want to display the header or the footer, and this is really important, so make sure that you apply these settings. Now the problem is it says syntax error on line 1. That's because we haven't told Squarespace where we want to apply this code to. So we want to say just this page. Now to do this, you can go to the Chrome extension store and select Squarespace ID Finder. And once you have this extension installed, it'll look like this little icon up here. Now you're going to come back into your Squarespace site and you're going to click on this extension. And you'll now see that we have these different labels. So blocks refer to content blocks, sections are for sections, and collections are for the entire page. So that's what we want. We're just going to click on this and it's going to copy that. We're going to come to the front of this piece of code, the very first step, and we're going to paste that in. And what that's saying is we want to apply these settings to this collection. And if you pull this out and I scroll down, there's no header and there's now no footer. So if I come back in, now say we just wanted to remove the header but we wanted to keep the footer, I would just take out this header, make sure it just says footer, and you'll see that is now come back. If you wanted to apply this to more than one page, you would find the other page collection ID. So if I hit save here, come back out, we'll find another page. I go to my about page and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to find the ID. I can see, okay, I'm going to copy this in, go back to design, custom CSS, and then beside this collection, I'm just going to put comma and paste my second collection in. And as you can see, now it's removed it on my about page as well. So that's how you remove the navigation on the single page, or if you want to apply it to multiple pages. If you have multiple sales pages, for example, you can do that too. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. I hope that you found it valuable. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments section. I try to read and respond to every single one of them. And if you want even more tips on how you can publish, teach, and sell online with Squarespace, click the subscribe button and hit the little bell icon so that you can be notified the next time I post a video.